Good evening. My name is Cindy. I'm with Brunswick Cabinets and Countertops. I'm one of the 3 designers in the showroom that can help you pick out your countertops. I'm going to be talking about quartz this evening. My 3 top colors are the MSI color Calcutta Elysio. My next favorite is the Cambria color Portrush that has a navy blue veining in it. And then third would be also a Cambria color called Sandgate. Lots of nice taupey, warm whites with a little bit of crystal going on in this one. Looks great with black cabinets, navy blue, your taupes, your whites, very versatile countertop. The little crystal specks in it can pull out the colors in your cabinets where they reflect off of the cabinets or even the backsplash that you pick. So again, this is a Cambria color Sandgate. The Portrush that I talked about looks beautiful with navy blue cabinets, white cabinets. There's a little gold speckle in this that you might be able to see that naturally tends to lead you towards gold hardware on white, on navy blue, beautiful. This is also a very nice countertop with some movement in it. It does have the up and down veining, wide lines, skinny lines, gorgeous showpiece of a countertop. And then back to the Elysio. This is actually my #1 seller. It's got a great price point on it. It's an MSI quartz. It has a almost solid white background, very, very light gray veining in it with the little bit of a brownish gold that's going to pull in your wood floor colors if you're going to go with a stained island or even stained cabinets. This is a great choice. It blends with just about anything that's trending these days. If you have any more questions about countertops, come on in and see us. We'd be happy to help you pick something out for your new kitchen. We can work with you on cabinets or just countertops. We can do as little or as much as you want us to do. Look forward to having you as our future clients.